Hello, everyone. Antoine McVeigh, your chairman affiliate with Liberium Crypto. Very excited right now, but it's very early in the morning, so I won't raise my voice too loud, but just know I'm excited. It took us a while to get here, but we are pretty much here. So I've got some important information I need to share with you. All right, so let's first talk about the launch date. I finally got a hard date of the official launch. It will launch no later than Tuesday. So let's get that out of the way. No later than Tuesday. Now, that doesn't mean that we may not launch over the weekend. We very well could launch over the weekend. When we do officially launch, which is no later than Tuesday, everyone will receive an email letting them know we are officially live. Okay, so everyone will get that email. You know, it will be no later than Tuesday. And also, it could very well happen over the weekend. I also want to say thank you to the many, many customers that volunteered, allowing us to do test trades. Thank you very much. We really, really appreciate that. You really helped us to get to this point. And so now I want to talk about the free trade tokens, or the free week of trading that we announced. So the best way we figure out to really make this work for everyone is just give everyone 20 trade tokens. Okay, 20 trade tokens. And depending on the trader that you select, those tokens could go in a matter of 3 or 4 days. And for some, those tokens could last an entire week. Just depend on the trader that you select to follow, and of course, that trader's strategy. So we're going to give everyone 20 tokens. They would have had to subscribe prior to the launch, which means you still have some time. If you want to get other customers, have someone to take advantage of getting free 20 trade tokens, then guess what? They need to be enrolled prior to the launch. Okay, so you've got time, and you may not have a lot of time, because I'm telling you, this could happen even over the weekend, Saturday or Sunday, but a hard date, no later than Tuesday. Okay, so everyone will get 20 trade tokens. Now, I know that some may want to go ahead and buy their package during that free week of trading. That's okay. You can do so. You will get the additional 20 tokens as well. So whatever package you buy, you still get the 20 trade tokens that you will use, obviously, during that free week of trading. But you know, you have your additional tokens that are available for your trader that you're following if they want to just buy. Okay, so you can. Because we know that some customers will just use their tokens before maybe selecting the package, we're going to hold the commissions for that first week. This will be the only time that we do that, but I hope you're understanding why. Is because we want to give people who say, you know what, let me test a few trades first, and then maybe I'll select my package. Okay, but yet some people that they've introduced have already enrolled, then guess what? Normally they would miss those commissions, but we said, no, let's be fair. We're going to give them a week. So even though some customers may go ahead and trust the process and buy packages now, okay, some will want to wait. And we're not going to punish those that choose to wait. Okay, it's just the right thing to do. But at the end of that week, if you have not selected your package, then those commissions will roll up and pay those who are qualified to earn it. Okay, so I want to make that very, very clear. The other thing is, I need you to understand that the way we're going to build this from a marketing perspective, for those of you who want to market the business. Now, let me back up. The passive income side, we know is there. We've got great traders that will provide some incredible results for us. Obviously, past performance is not indicative of future gains, but man, I've worked with and followed one of these traders for 5 years. The others, some 2 and 3 years, and then maybe one at least 10 months, but quite a while. Okay, so I've seen historically what they can do. I need you to understand that for us to grow as a company, we are not hiring actors and actors. So we're going to allow everyday ordinary people like you to share your user experience in order for us to grow. That is why we have the affiliate side and we pay out a commission. We pay you for your time, reward you for sharing your experience with others. Okay, we're looking for people who are looking for us, for people who are looking for this type of model where they can control their own asset and don't have to worry about a company walking away with their crypto. That's what we offer here with Liberium Crypto. Okay, and we're going to perform. The traders will perform. All right, let the company pay the traders and the traders will perform. Okay, now when you introduce others, you have an opportunity to earn Bitcoin, Dogecoin, Litecoin directly into the wallet of your choice. And we announced we're going to pay out a bonus, an additional $20 for every package. Well, we're going to extend that not for just 1 week, but for 2 weeks, because we know that some people may not buy their package during that first week of testing trades, which means they would miss, okay? They would miss out. So we extend it for an additional week. So for those who use those tokens and then select their package, you brought that customer, you should be rewarded and the company's going to pay you. It's just the right thing to do. So that's going to be extended for 2 weeks, the additional $20 bonus on all the direct packages. All right. Let me make sure I got everything else covered. I think we got it covered. We got it covered. Okay, guys, you got a little bit of time, but not a lot. Oh, you know what? One more thing I wanted to cover. Facebook. We got a couple of Facebook groups, okay, that are being ran by leaders. They're not the company's Facebook group, but leaders who are running them. Please understand that it is Facebook and social media and that you're going to get pitched by a lot of different businesses in those groups, and also a lot of scammers, tons of scammers. So please be careful. We don't endorse any of those things that anybody's pitching in those groups. And although we want to let people in and they agree to the rules and all of that, but at the end of the day, a lot of those people have a different agenda. And I know that. You need to know that. So just be careful who you align yourself with, okay, from people contacting you in those groups, okay? I wanted to share that. All right, guys, thank you so very much. This is going to be an incredible journey, incredible ride. I'm finally going to get some sleep now, all right? Thank you so much, guys. Take care and God bless.